Hi, I am Bonnie Sausage Sucker. And I am so eager to please. Smash that subscribe button to be notified when I or any of my naughty but so nice girlfriends upload our hot videos just for you. You will get so stiff watching me having pillow fights will my girl pals who will get so hot and wet that we will all have to soap each other in the shower, which is so much clean but dirty fun you will really love. And we will be all dreaming about how stiff you will get watching me suck and deep throat some really hard long sausages. Hugs and smooches, Bonnie.